Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by clarifying the audience and a single clear goal, because AI follows precise intent. Once done, collect 3 reliable notes or sources to ground facts. Make a concise prompt that states structure, voice, sections, and length. Include an example paragraph. You should also add constraints like no fluff or use active voice. This first step gets the AI producing focused output immediately instead of generic content, and it saves major editing time later. Next, ask the model for detailed outline with H2s and H3s so you control flow. Once you have that, generate sections one at a time to keep focus. Make the AI add examples, short quotes, and logical transitions, and request inline source notes for fact-checking. After generating, run a pass to optimize for SEO keywords and headings. Make sure to adjust tone and tighten sentences. Iterative prompts produce better, more coherent paragraphs than a single long generation. Finally, perform a human edit focused on clarity, accuracy, and active voice. You should read aloud to catch rhythm and pacing. Then run plagiarism and factual checks, correcting or sourcing any weak claims. Publish with meta, images, and internal links. If the AI output is inconsistent or off-topic, simplify the prompt, request a step-by-step rewrite, or provide a short correction example. Often a targeted follow-up prompt fixes structure and tone quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.